What is going on, everyone? Welcome back for another little discussion. Now, this is going to be a brief video, and I just want to explain something to you because I've gotten the question several times, and it's one of the most popular questions, or I don't know, popular is the word I'm looking for, but it's something that's always asked by people that I'm helping with their YouTube channels. Now, I'm not running some class or some school, just a lot of friends and a lot of people that I've helped that I've met through YouTube. I've helped them get their channels going and I hope I put them on the right thing. So far, a few of them have started making money. Other ones, they just like I said before, video a couple days back, that they occasionally just try 3 or 4 videos, it doesn't work, and then they're done. So stick with it, you make money. But money is the subject of today's video and one part of making money. So there's several ways to make money on YouTube. Obviously, there's the AdSense. Once you get to your 4,000 watch hours and then your 1,000 subscribers, you're fully monetized. You can collect the ads. Now, I've been telling you 3,000. When you get to 3,000, you can open up memberships, I believe, and a few other things. But to be fully monetized, 4,000 hours of view time plus 1,000 subscribers. Then there's affiliate links. Affiliate links are pretty cool because you sign up for like Amazon, an affiliate program. And if you put something in the description area of your video and someone clicks on it and buys it, you get a small percentage. Now, if you're getting hundreds, thousands of views, this adds up. So that's really something you could do right out of the gate. You don't need to get monetized for that. That's separate from YouTube. Get an affiliate account with Amazon. Let's say you're into shoes. I believe Nike still has one. I know Airbnb had one for a long time. They got rid of it though after the pandemic. I don't know if they brought it back. But anyway, there's a ton of affiliate links that you could do. The other day when I did the video about the audio equipment, now I put all the things in there and there was links to buy them on Amazon. If any of you click on those links and purchase that product, I get a small cut. There's whole channels that's their whole thing. They're doing tech reviews, but really they're giving you a review and they got the link down below for you to go buy it. Now, if you're looking for a tech review on something like I use the DJI Pocket 3, right? That's my number one camera I use almost all the time. Now, if you're giving a review of it, the people that are watching it, they're thinking about buying it already. So you just gave them a link. It's nothing but money. It's a great way to do things. But the one thing that everyone wants to know about is sponsored videos. Sponsored videos will come after you're big enough. Now, the ones you get before you're big enough, they're usually a scam. I'd say 99.9% of the time, they're a scam, and I don't want you to click on any links they give you. Now, I didn't start doing sponsored videos till I was close to 1 million subscribers. Now, if you've got 100,000, you could start looking for sponsors or at least entertaining the emails they send you. Find out what they're all about. Now, a few things you want to do. First of all, make sure it's a legit company. I get them from I get them places all the time, and you can tell their English is horrible, and their name's Danny O'Brien or something like that. And then you look at the email, and it's like from Gmail or it's some other thing you've never heard of. Okay, that's usually the first clue that something's going wrong. I mean, if you get not like they do, but if you get a approach for sponsorship from Nike, it's going to say nike.com after whoever it is, Joe Blow at nike.com. Okay. Check the email first and make sure it's legit. Also, make sure they're saying your name. Now, if it's all dear sir or madam, boom, it's gone. It's usually a dead giveaway that's just a mass email they sent out and they're basically dialing for dummies. That's all they're doing. So until you get 100,000, let's say 50,000, 50,000, start looking what it is. Nobody really wants to sponsor you when you have under 50,000 subscribers and you're only getting 1,000 views per video. No one wants to, they'll look at your views, which is great. For me, they like me because of my demographics, but they'll look at those things. They'll ask to see those first. They'll never bring up money until they've already established what you have to offer them. And they'll ask you for a screenshot of some of your statistics. Okay. Don't show them your money, but show them your views, show them your age groups, show them what sex is watching your channels, where they're from. Those are all in your analytics, which I'll show you how to find all that in an upcoming video. But they'll be asking to see that stuff before they ever talk about a price. If they start off saying, we want to give you $10,000, no, they don't. I don't get $10,000 for a sponsored video. Okay. And I have over 1 million subscribers, and most of my videos get within the first week at least 75 to 150,000 views. Okay. So if they're not giving me 10,000, there's no reason you, with your 2,000 subscribers getting 400 views per video, no one's giving you $10,000. Now, I don't want to burst anyone's bubble. It does happen once you're big enough, okay? Just beware out there, because there's a lot of scam people. And the first thing they want to do is get you to click on a link. Once you click on a link, they can hack your account. Now, this is something that could be bad, because let's say they just sit on that and they wait till you're big enough to start collecting money, then they just take over your account, and it's a pain to get it back. Now, in recent months, YouTube has made that easier and they can help you get it back quicker. But for a while there, if your channel was gone, we're talking you're down for a week or more trying to get your channel back, because they got all kinds of laws and all kinds of rules and things you got to confirm before they'll actually get your channel back. And I've seen some horrible nightmares that people have been through, or at least watch their videos as they explain it. Okay. So don't think you're getting sponsored videos until later. Okay. Just remember that it's all a scam. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.